Hello, my name is Dr. Jeffrey Andrion. I'm an assistant professor at the Department of Physical Therapy. I'm also an affiliated scientist of AT-Steel Research Institute. AT-Steel University has one of the more established physical therapy programs in the United States. Our curriculum is embedded on the idea that everyone should have access to health services, the idea that social justice is the bedrock of our profession. But at the same time, we also want to make sure that they graduate as well-rounded individuals. So we do not only teach them the basics of physical therapy, but at the same time, we also make sure that they're very well honed in research and also have a better understanding of global health and other things that will matter in their practice as physical therapists. We do provide students the opportunity to also work with other students from other programs and departments. In the real-world setting, this is really critical, especially in healthcare setting, because at the end of the day, you do not only work in isolation, but you work with other colleagues who could provide, the opportunities for you to also learn from their own work. AT-Steel University's mission of whole-person healthcare is embedded in our program. From the lectures we give up to the different capstone research projects that we conduct. We make sure that we do not just talk about the mission, but we actually live it on a day-to-day basis. And that to me is the most exciting part of my work, that I come to this place at Mesa in Arizona with a purpose. One of my biggest professional goals is to influence the next generation of thinkers, the next generation of social justice workers. I want to see them change communities simply because of the power of our profession. The student who is really very passionate in helping other individuals is the best fit for the program. We want to see individuals who are change makers, but at the end of the day, we want to see individuals and students who are passionate human beings, who are so passionate about changing the lives of other individuals simply because they care, simply because they empathize, and simply because they know that they make a difference in their lives.